Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to avoid tolls while traveling in an Uber. So basically, how this works is that this is totally dependent on the driver, she, who's driving the car and dropping you off. You cannot automatically select the toll through which you don't want to go. But basically, what we can do is analyze and we can choose separate or different path for it. To do that, open the Uber app, let it load, and after letting it load, you have to just select where do you want to go and click on this bar, search bar. After clicking on the search bar, we can see the current location and where did we wanna go. So I'm gonna select Mumbai here because I wanna go long way, and this is how we gonna see tolls. Now this are the things now. Okay, matching you. Okay, this is unavailable. But what we can do is when traveling, basically we will be able to see all the things like where the national highway is and from where there are tolls. So basically we can request the driver at most to not go from there or take a shortcut, because either way it's gonna take time. And if you go without tolls, you will still pay the same. The term upfront pricing means you get charged upfront for the ride. Even if the driver took a longer route, you will still pay the same amount. So basically, it does not affect any amount you pay. The amount will be same. They just break your price down and show tolls as a separate payment. The only factor that can change your pricing is wait time before you enter the car. So that is what can affect everything. Thank you for watching. This was it for this video, and I will see you